The ultimate guide to building your online business with affiliate marketing. Are you looking to build your online business and generate passive income? Look no further than affiliate marketing. In this ultimate guide, we will walk you through the steps to successfully establish and grow your online business using affiliate marketing. From understanding the basics to scaling your business, we've got you covered. Introduction. In today's digital age, building an online business has become a viable and lucrative option for many entrepreneurs. One of the most effective strategies for monetizing your online presence is affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated, you can leverage the power of affiliate marketing to create a sustainable income stream. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals, affiliates, earn a commission by promoting products or services of other companies. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a middleman between the seller and the consumer, connecting them through your promotional efforts. This form of marketing benefits both parties involved, as businesses can expand their reach, and affiliates can earn passive income. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for your success in affiliate marketing. You want to focus on a specific market segment where you can provide value and cater to the needs of your target audience. Research and identify profitable niches by analyzing competition, demand, and trends. Consider your expertise, passion, and potential profitability when choosing your niche. Finding affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your audience and niche. Look for reputable affiliate networks or individual programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche. Evaluate commission rates, payment methods, and the reputation of the program before joining. Ensure the affiliate programs you choose have a good track record of paying affiliates on time and providing accurate tracking and reporting. Creating valuable content. Content creation is at the heart of successful affiliate marketing. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your audience and provides value. Create informative blog posts, engaging videos, and helpful tutorials that showcase the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. Incorporate search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve visibility and attract organic traffic to your content. Building an audience. Building an audience is essential for the growth of your online business. Utilize social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to connect with your target audience. Share valuable content, engage with your followers, and build relationships based on trust and credibility. Implement email marketing strategies to capture leads and nurture relationships with your subscribers. Promoting your affiliate products. Promotion plays a crucial role in driving sales and earning commissions. Craft persuasive product reviews and comparisons that highlight the features, benefits, and value of the products or services you're promoting. Leverage social proof by showcasing testimonials and positive customer experiences. Use compelling call to actions to encourage your audience to take action and make a purchase. Tracking and analyzing performance. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, it's important to track and analyze your performance. Utilize analytics tools to gather data on clicks, conversions, and revenue generated. Analyze the data to identify trends, strengths, and weaknesses in your strategies. Use this information to refine your approach, improve conversions, and maximize your earnings. Scaling your online business. Once you've established a solid foundation with affiliate marketing, it's time to scale your online business. Expand your affiliate partnerships by collaborating with more companies and promoting a wider range of products or services. Automate processes where possible to increase efficiency and save time. Explore additional revenue streams such as creating and selling your own digital products or offering consulting services. Conclusion. Building your online business with affiliate marketing is an exciting and rewarding journey. By following the steps outlined in this ultimate guide, you can lay a strong foundation for success. Remember to choose your niche wisely, create valuable content, build an engaged audience, promote products effectively, track your performance, and scale your business strategically. Embrace the opportunities that affiliate marketing offers and embark on the path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.